is a major hole here again. Doesn't look real good, but Barry and I made it through here on the right-hand side about a month ago and got through, but looking like it's a little chewed up, so we're going to see what happens here. I have this funny feeling the winches are going to come into action again. He goes, just like that. Well, let's see if I'm that lucky. Make sure I'm working.
We went riding July the 16th up in the Nisbet and found that the south road to Roddick Cabin from Highway 11 is completely flooded. So this is our attempt to get back. We're like less than 2 kilometers from the car, and we're trying to get through. Unfortunately, we got turned around and had to come back.
There, get going. Okay, for the record, that one's a little worse than what I went through there a month ago. It's chewed up a little bit more. But differential lock, 4-wheel drive, and away we go. One more mud hole to go. Well, here we are, stuck. None got high centered. We're past the railroad tracks. Going back to the launch area, and we hit a bit of a mud hole. As you can see, Don tried to go to the left, got hung up. I tried winching him out, but it just kept dragging my unit forward, so we're going to see what we can do here. Winch back with his. Okay, where are we going? That one over there?
Yeah, see if you can reach it.
Okay. way back in the bush.
Don't pull anymore.
Well, let's try this little willow. Okay.
You're good?
Yep. Whew, starting to heat up. It's warm here. It's not a real hot day, but it's warm right here. Getting no wind at all coming through, and here come the mosquitoes. Time for a little bit of repellent. We still got to be 3-4 miles from the vehicle. So, let's hope we get out. And then we got to figure out whether we're going to get through there. I'll have to find a stick and do some probing. See how deep that is. We should be able to get through, but you never know. You get eye-centered in there. But there's only one way out of here, and that's forward. So, those little willows, right to there. Let's just hope it's got enough, that willow's got enough of a base to get her out. Must have her in free spool. There we go. Lock her in. And there we go. Okay. Nope, that ain't gonna work.
Is it pulling the tree over?
Yep. Yep, we'll try something else here. We're gonna be a tick check after this mission. Try a beefier tree. See what that does. I ain't gonna pull this one over, that's for sure. Not that baby. Okay. I don't know, he's hung up there pretty good. I'm not sure that's even going to pull it out, but hey, look at that, it's going. It's going. Let's have the good winch on that one. 4,000 pounds maybe? Well, we got him off that. That might be enough to get him to put her in reverse and back out of there, and then I guess we'll just try her right down the center, see what happens. Is that enough to get you out of there?
Well, we'll see.
Okay, I'll unhook. Maybe I won't unhook. Or what's he doing? Oh, he's going to get in, try to back out. See how that goes. Of course, right at the end of the day when we're both dead tired, we got this one, another mud hole, and a third one coming up. Okay. He's coming. Yep, no problem. that on until we get through, hey?
Yeah.
You gonna try her down the center? Or what?
Well, what I'm going to try to do is put two wheels up on the right-hand side.
Go like this over?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably higher in the middle then, right?
No, because based on these tracks, I'll get high centers. Look it over there.
Yeah. Okay, well,
So we'll see.
take it easy. Might as well just leave it hooked up though, eh?
Well,
Or what?
yeah, well, you'll be able to walk over there or down this side to come and get the hook.
Yep. Four-wheel drive, Jeff Mock. Hope for the best here. It's not too deep. Yeah, we can get through there. Ooh, she's pretty high. I'm gonna high center there. I better try to straddle the ruts on the way out. Okay. Okay, we're in differential lock.